Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add chapter in the heading or numbering in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my document in Microsoft Word, and first of all guys, make sure you have added a table of content to your document, and we're going to add heading. Wait, I'm going to apply heading to this line, and we can go to the styles menu, and I'm going to choose heading 1, but I'm going to modify it, so we can right click on it, select modify, and we're going to choose numbering here. Go to the format and choose numbering. Okay, and in the numbering you can choose define new number format, and you can move the cursor to the front like this, and I'm going to type in chapter. Okay, and you can either add dot or maybe space, but for me I'm just going to add this one. Okay, and click on OK, then click on OK again. Okay, all right, and it will create something like this. Okay, and I'm going to apply heading to this line as well. I'm going to go to the style and select heading. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add chapter in the heading or numbering in Microsoft Word. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.